So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add zip code in your vanilla gift card. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and go to google.com. Here you have to search vanilla gift card. Then open the first link provided by Vanilla Gift. So once you have entered the website, you will have to go to this activate your card. Now in here you have to add your details about your card, like your card number, expiry date and CVV. After that you have to press this continue button. Then you will be moved to a new tab where you have to enter your zip code. That is important to do your online transaction. So after that you have entered your zip code, then you can perform your online transaction using Vanilla gift card. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel Tutormania, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.